Hello honey, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw Elsa Princess from Frozen. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel Nanny Julie, and you won't miss my new cute drawing lessons. Now let's look at the picture. We can see a head, ears, beautiful braided hair, a long dress with shiny crystals, a cape with collar and arms. Let's look at the picture one more time. A head, ears, beautiful braided hair, a long dress with shiny crystals, and a cape with collar and arms. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the top of my paper. Draw a big circle for your head. C shape for your left ear. Backwards C shape for your right ear. Wow, that's it! Now 2 dots for your eyes. The first and the second. U shape for your smile. Oh, look how cute she is! 2 vertical lines under the head for your neck. The first, the second. Oh, that's the way to go! You are doing great! It's time for your beautiful braided hair. Touch upper part of your head slightly left from center. That dot will help us to draw your hair. Connect the dot to your left ear with curved line and wavy line to your right ear, and more. Now we need some more lines from the dot for your head. That's the way, follow me. One more. And the last one. Great, you did it! Elsa has beautiful braided hair. Curved line from her neck. Another one from her ear. And continue. The first, the second. The first, the second, and continue. Then backward C shape and S shape. And connect. Wow, that's good! I love your braided hair. I used to wear it all the time. Do you like braids? I bet you do. Now let's draw diagonal line for your shoulder over here. Horizontal line for your collar. Now find the center of your collar. It's right under the neck. Bumpy line from the center for your collar. That's the way, yeah, more bumps. Good. And another one, but do not forget that the collar under your hair. Okay, you're doing great. Now draw short diagonal line over here for your dress. Then curve to the down of the right side. The same line on the left side. And connect them. Wow, our dress is almost ready. Great! 2 diagonal lines for your arm, the first and the second, and connect. Oval for your palm. And let's draw your right arm the same way. 2 diagonal lines, connect them. Oval for palm. That's the way, great! Now it's time for your cape. Follow me. Long straight line and a curve. Good job! The same way. Long straight line and a curve. It's done! Now I want to decorate it a little bit. Rhombus for beautiful shiny crystal. We draw rhombus like that. V shape, upside down V shape. You see, it's rhombus. I draw a big one over here, a smaller one over here. Add one here. Do you like shiny crystals? Is your dress shiny enough? Oh no, we need to add some more. Here. And here. And here. Oh, I think that's enough. But you can add more if you want. That's the way to go. You did it. I like your Princess Elsa. Now let's color in together. You can choose any color you like. Today I will color your dress blue. But I have a lot of princesses in different dresses on my channel. Subscribe and check it out. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. I believe in you. Don't rush. We will color everything together with you. Oh, you're doing great. I like your cape. It's beautiful. Tracing. Try to stay inside the lines. And my crystals of my princess is white. Then tracing again. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. good job! I like your dress. Now let's color in her head and palm. My Elsa has roses in her cheeks. Draw oval, pink ovals. Let's draw pink ovals. Oh, she's so cute! I like your dress very much. One more beautiful princess for our collection. Wow, your Elsa is so good! I want to see it so much. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Also, you and your parents can download and print my cute coloring page. All links in the description under the video. See you! Bye bye!